This is Mark Brantley, Foreign Minister of St. Kitts and Nevis. We are in St. Kitts and Nevis supportive of our dear friends Taiwan and Taiwan's participation in the World Health Assembly. Taiwan has demonstrated throughout this COVID-19 pandemic that it is a global leader, and it has demonstrated that it has set global standards in handling this pandemic. We feel that it is time that Taiwan be allowed to play its true role in international affairs. We welcome Taiwan and its participation in the World Health Assembly. Taiwan can help. Let Taiwan help.
The government of St. Vincent and the Grenadines strongly supports the Republic of China, Taiwan, to be accorded observer status at the World Health Assembly. This particular body, which oversees globally matters touching and concerning health, especially public health, is one, as the COVID-19 pandemic has demonstrated, is one which is supposed to cover the whole world. And Taiwan is a critical part of this world. 23 million people, a lot of people go in and come out of Taiwan, relationships with countries all over the world, trading relationships, commercial ties, cultural ties, and in some cases diplomatic ties. It makes absolutely no sense to exclude Taiwan. They need to be there. We understand all the geopolitics, but for public health, globally, we need Taiwan to be in the assembly as an observer. If we don't do that, we limit the effectiveness of that assembly and the operation of the World Health Organization. Please, let's be sensible about this. And at this time, just leave the politics out. This is about health.
Take this opportunity to reiterate St. Lucia's call for Taiwan to be included in the World Health Assembly and in the discussions that are taking place in Geneva at the World Health Assembly. Clearly, we have seen Taiwan's own efforts in combating this epidemic. Taiwan has been a great leader for the world in terms of how to successfully deal with this epidemic. And not just to fulfill the mantra that we've set ourselves in the SDGs of no one left behind. The whole world will stand to benefit if Taiwan is included around the table.
The COVID-19 pandemic has infected more than 149 million people and claimed more than 3 million lives around the world. Notwithstanding global politics, it has posed an enormous negative impact on economics and financial systems, hence significantly affecting the global efforts to achieve the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Taiwan has proved itself to be a successful model in the global fight against the pandemic, not just by its successful management of the spread, but also by helping other countries, including my country, St. Lucia, to combat the outbreak. It is time to include Taiwan in WHO's global efforts in the fight against this global pandemic. It is time to let Taiwan help.